Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iOS 17 keyboard bugs. Recently iOS 17 packs improvements to the keyboard including autocorrect, inline predictive text, grammar correction, dictation and the emoji icon. These changes to the keyboard on iOS 17 are helpful to save users time and improve accuracy. However, sorts of iOS 17 keyboard bugs are reported such as lag, inaccuracy and vanishment. The features need some time to get better. If you are experiencing annoying issues on the iOS 17 keyboard, this video can assist you. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check the keyboard settings. The settings of the keyboard should be checked and you can disable and re-enable the functions. If you are still not satisfied with the features, it's easy to turn off the specific functions. For this, first go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on keyboard. Hit keyboards on the top of the screen to add new keyboard or delete keyboards. Here you can delete any keyboard you want and also you can add any keyboard and you are done. And the next step is reset keyboard dictionary. And the solution to the keyboard bugs on iOS 17 is resetting the keyboard dictionary, especially in cases where your iPhone provides weird corrections. For this, go to settings, tap on it, and then navigate to general. Scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset keyboard dictionary, tap on it. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset your keyboard dictionary and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is also a quick and simple solution to the iOS 17 keyboard bugs. For this you just need to press and hold the volume up button and same with the down button and press the side button and then slide to power off. And after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. But you should also try resetting all settings on your device. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset all settings, tap on it. So it might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your phone passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope these solutions can fix your issue of iOS 17 keyboard bugs, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.